If you want to clean the charging port or USB-C port on your Samsung Galaxy A57 with some household items, then let me quickly tell you what kind of tools you can use. So the best option is going to be probably a wooden toothpick, simply because it allows you to gently scrape anything that you have inside along the bottom and sides. So you can use a wooden toothpick or thin paper strip. You can insert it carefully into the port and then you can gently scrape and then pull out lint slowly. You don't want to force anything, you don't want to break anything by accident, so of course remember to do everything slowly and gently. And besides that, of course, you want to avoid using metal objects in this case. So if you have any dust, debris or lint inside, you don't want to use metal objects like needles or pins because they can damage connectors or short circuit the phone. You don't really want to do that, of course. You want to brush lightly, so if you have something that allows you to brush lightly, like a dry toothbrush, for example, you should be able to lightly brush the port opening. And in this case, you should be able to loosen the fine dust. If there's like fine dust in there, then the dry toothbrush might be the best solution in this case. If you have compressed air, you can gently blow over here. You can keep it short bursts and don't keep it too close, of course. You can try to blow out any particles that you have in there with that compressed air. And of course, you want to avoid using water or liquid cleaners. You don't really want to use them in the case of cleaning the USB-C port. You don't want to pour any alcohol inside into the port because you will definitely damage the port afterwards. No metal tools. If you have anything metal, you don't want to use it to clean the port. And you don't want to use excessive force. You always want to be gentle in order to avoid causing damage to the port, because of course later on you might have trouble with charging the phone, for example. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.